CHSCM has also earned enough of eminence and accolades in the last 50 years. So, as with a joyful heart, we are commemorating the day, we are feeling nostalgic also. If you miss the train I'm on, then you know that I have gone. You will hear the whistle blowing 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You will hear the whistle blowing 100 miles. Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three, Lord, I'm four, Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can't go back home in this way, in this way, in this way, in this way, in this way. Lord, I can't go back home in this way. If you miss the train I'm on, then you can know that I have gone. You will hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Now, in agenda, the next name is Mr. Otindra Shah and Abhijit Shah. Are they here? Till now I didn't see them. Now, in their place, we were supposed to have a folk song by Shilpi Talukdar Mitra, an ex-student of 1987. But before that, I would like to share a thing with you, an important thing with you. Orkojoti Nondi of our school, he did secondary, he passed secondary from our school, is an autistic child. When he was a kid, he didn't even have eye contact. He wouldn't listen to anybody, he wouldn't follow any instruction. And that boy, with the help of his friends, his class fellows, mainly, and then with the help of teachers of primary section as well as of secondary section, finally passed the exam of class 10 board. It is a great achievement in the history of our school. Give a big hand to this achievement. Orkojoti has many qualities. He can draw very well, he can manage computers very well, and recently he has taken a choice towards singing. Let's hear his song first before we hear Shilpi. Shilpi, wait a little. Now Orkojoti Nondi, secondary certificate holder of our school and a student at present, a student of class 11 in Hindustan Cables, is going to perform an English song.
Every
Let's apply devotion that feels you tonight, and the sun for between us, and the shadows steal from the light. Whatever it may be, it's your pride and emotion come to me. It's your pride and emotion come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Thank you, Otto. Wasn't it great? Now, I request Shilpi Talukdar Mitra, ex-student of 1987 band, to perform the folk song. Shilpi Talukdar, are you ready? I'm announcing your name. Volunteers, please help. Volunteers, please help. Shilpi Talukdar, Metro.
নমস্কার শ্রদ্ধেয় স্যার ম্যাডাম এদের আমার নমস্কার জানিয়ে আমি আমার গান শুরু করছি। হয়তো অনেক দিন এই গানের সাথে আমি জড়িত নই, কিন্তু এই স্টেজে আমি অনেক পারফরমেন্স আমি আগে করে গেছি, কিন্তু এখন হয়তো কিছু ভুল ত্রুটি হতে পারে, তার জন্য আমাকে ক্ষমা করবেন।